Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English and speak confidently, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some simple and practical tips to help you speak English better every day. So stay with me till the end. English is an international language and a powerful tool for communication around the world. Many people learn English to study abroad, travel, work in multinational companies, or connect with people from different countries. However, learning English is not just about reading books or memorizing grammar rules. To truly master English, speaking practice is very important. Speaking English helps learners build confidence and use the language naturally in real life. Many students feel shy or nervous when they try to speak. They worry about making mistakes or not finding the right words. But the only way to overcome this fear is to speak more and more. The more you speak, the more comfortable and fluent you become. One simple way to practice speaking is to talk to yourself in English. For example, you can describe your daily routine, your plans, or your feelings. You can stand in front of a mirror and pretend you're having a conversation with a friend. This helps you think in English and improves your pronunciation. Another effective method is to practice with other people. You can find a speaking partner, join an English club, or participate in online speaking groups. Talking with friends or classmates in English is a fun way to learn new words and improve your sentences. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes help you learn faster. Listening is also a part of speaking practice. Watching English movies, listening to songs, or following podcasts helps you hear how native speakers talk. Try to repeat phrases you hear and copy their accent and intonation. This will make your speaking sound more natural. To improve speaking skills, it is important to practice every day, even if only for a few minutes. Make a habit of learning new words and using them in your sentences. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation. Celebrate your progress and never give up. Speaking practice is the key to improving English. It helps you communicate confidently and fluently, so don't be afraid to speak. Practice with yourself, with friends, or with anyone who can help you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every word you speak brings you closer to becoming a better English speaker. Learning English is a journey that opens countless doors to knowledge, communication, and opportunities around the world. For many people, the most challenging part is not understanding grammar or vocabulary, but speaking English fluently and confidently in daily life. However, with the right mindset and regular practice, anyone can improve their spoken English and become a better communicator. First of all, improving spoken English requires consistent practice. It is not enough to only read books or memorize words. One must speak out loud as much as possible. Speaking helps us train our mouth and tongue to pronounce words correctly and naturally. It also helps us think in English without translating from our native language. A good way to start is by talking to yourself when you are alone. Describe what you are doing, express your thoughts, or practice dialogues you might use in real life. Secondly, speaking with other people is very important. Try to find a speaking partner who is also learning English, or join online conversation groups. If possible, talk to native speakers or fluent speakers through language exchange apps or social media. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning and improving. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Listening also plays a big role in speaking practice. When you listen to English songs, podcasts, movies, or interviews, you learn how words are used in different situations. You can imitate native speakers' pronunciation, intonation, and expressions. Repeating after them is a fun and effective way to sound more natural. Moreover, set small daily goals for your speaking practice. For example, you can decide to learn and use 5 new words every day, or talk in English for at least 10 minutes without stopping. Keeping a daily routine will build your confidence step by step. Finally, be patient and positive. Many people feel shy or nervous at first, but confidence grows with practice. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems. Over time, you will notice that you can express your ideas more clearly, have longer conversations, and even think in English naturally. In conclusion, improving English speaking skills is not an impossible task. It needs time, dedication, and courage to speak, listen, and learn every day. By making speaking practice a habit, you will see great improvement and gain the ability to connect with people around the world. So start today. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and enjoy the journey of becoming a better English speaker.